Greetings. What I've got for you today is a cheap crap alarm clock from Amazon. Cheap because it was $6.99. Crap because, well, it just doesn't tell the time. As you can see, this one in particular gains 49 minutes for every hour it runs. As usual, Amazon have this under various random lettered brands, and they're all the same thing. They're all available from AliExpress for £1.26. So let's take a look inside and see if we can figure out what's gone wrong with it and can it be fixed, or should I just send it back? On the back we've got a couple of controls. The sensor control actually knocks the backlight on. It gives it a low backlight level. I don't think there's any actual sensor in there. A few other settings for 12 and 24 hour clock and for setting the date and time, and that's about it. Oh, and a nice quality control sticker to show it's passed all its quality control tests. Battery compartment containing 3 AAA batteries, not included. Screw. Okay, there are a few more screws inside, although not as many as it's designed to take. It will take 4 screws, it only has the 2. At least the backlight works on this one. There is one YouTube review indicating that theirs didn't actually have a working backlight. So there's the switches are just a set of contacts on the back, apart from the top one, which is I don't know how the top one works. Hang on, where is it? Oops, that's the backlight. Has the top one fallen in or fallen out? Oh, there's the top one. There's a button at the side. What's that backward facing LED for? Here's a close-up of the board. And here's a schematic of it, which I'm not really going to bother going into. Here's the clock back on the desk, and I think I've found the problem. There's not a lot we can do with it really, bar fitting the voltage regulator. As you can see at the moment, it's running relatively stably. I'm not counting that at the moment, it's probably about once a second. If I lower the voltage, you can see it seems to speed up the second indicator. So the accuracy of this thing is entirely battery dependent. As the batteries age, it's just going to speed up. I'll lower the voltage a little further, see how far down I can go. So considering it's crystal controlled, it's not the best, is it? And sometimes it does that, and you've got to raise the voltage and then take it back down again to get it to behave. That's presumably because it's running on a bench power supply. So there you go. Buy cheap, buy twice. I wouldn't bother buying any clock that looks like this one on Amazon, because chances are they're all going to have the same internal design and the same internal design flaw. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.